Okay, so we've looked at all of the applicants. We've chosen and gotten approved the interview candidates. We've interviewed them. And so now we are ready to choose who we want to hire for this position. So this is a very simple process once you've learned how to choose and release interview candidates, because it is much the same. So as you can see, once again, we are on the job openings screen. We've got our requisition number here, which is what we searched for. We've got all of our details over here, and we are going to more and pending again. And again, this will bring up the screens of the applicants that will allow us to change their status. Now you can see here that once you have released your interview candidates and they have been approved, their status changes. Their status changes to candidate. And so that will be useful for you if you have a lot of applicants. You will be able to sort by the status column. So you can just click on it and it will automatically bring all of the candidates up to the top, because that begins with C. So you will be able to view who you interviewed in one group. So we've interviewed Munis applicants, we liked them, we want to hire them, so we're once again going to click on their screen. Now, again, you are going to do the same thing. You are going to click Update. And once the drop-down menu is available to you, you are going to change that to Accepted. So right here where it says Candidate, you are going to change to Accepted. Now, a note on that. We are using Accepted because that is the closest that Munis has for us. Clicking on Accepted does not mean that they have accepted the position yet. Within the hiring process, you are just now telling us who you want to hire. So you're going to change the status to Accepted. And if you want to add any comments on here, you're more than welcome to. If you want to add what date you would like this person to start, if you would like to add notes about contacting them, that would be fine. We encourage you to use this comment box on your interview candidates and your applicants you would like to hire. So once you're done with all of that, once again, you're going to click Accept. And once again, you're going to go over here and click More, and then Release. And again, make sure that this is exactly the person you would like to release for hire. So that will go up the approval queue as well. So remember, just because we use the status accepted, that does not mean that they are ready to hire quite yet. They need to go up the approval queue, and it is generally the same one that you used for your interview candidates. So again, we will let you know when that approval has been completed. And after that approval has been completed, you will need to do telephone reference checks. And if everything checks out, let the personnel office know, and we will be the ones to call that person and hire them. So again, you need to wait for the approval queue to complete. You need to do telephone reference checks after that. And then once the telephone reference checks are done, you need to alert the personnel office, and we will hire that person over the phone for you. So this is a very easy step, but it's also just one step in the whole process. So please remember that. And if you have any questions about any part of the hiring process or any section of Munis, please let us know in the personnel office, and we will be more than happy to help you with that.